Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into American Express account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.americanexpress.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of American Express. American Express is one of the biggest credit card companies in the world. It generates revenue from transactions occurring at partner merchants, as well as through annual membership fees and interest income. If you'd like to log into your American Express account, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button. Go to the user ID text box in the login area and type in a user ID associated with your account. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password. You can now select an area where you'd like to end up in as soon as you log into your account. Once you're done, if you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, click on Remember Me. But leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot User ID or Password link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to your password or look for your user ID. After you are done filling in the details, click the login button in blue and you'll be able to log into your American Express account quick and easy. After logging into your account, you can manage your card wherever or whenever you want. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.